I don't know why I said na. You guys guess when you can see it on my profile. So follow back. Yeah. Wait lang. Hindi ko na kayo ma-entertain lahat. Sobrang dami. Wait lang. I am trying my best. There is someone pretending to be you. Who is that someone? Someone just followed me. Same name as you. Maybe we just have like same username but like not same face. I don't know. Oh my god, someone is pretending to be me. That's so weird. Follow me back. Yeah, sure. Same exact name po. But do we have like a same profile or no? That's so weird. You guys are so copycat. Stop copying my username. This one. Yeah, it's the same name. What the hell? But never mind. You are so sweet. Thank you so much, Joseph. Hello. Hello, DJC. Hello. Welcome to my live. Hello, you guys. I miss doing pageants. Guys, ask me anything, please. Ignore, yeah, for sure. Am I single? Yes, I am single. So, are you still studying? Yes, I am still studying. I am first year again because I stopped. When I was in Puerto, I was first year there, then I stopped. And then again, I enrolled again, hoping that I can graduate this time. In what course? The first course that I took in Puerto was midwifery, and then when I went to Manila, I took PS hospitality, and then I went here again in Nara. I took I took business management, major in financial marketing. Hello, young girl. School hopping. Parang ganon. Hirap kasi. Wala kasi ako sa focus ng kalaan. Kasi nung first year ko sa Puerto, I was doing pageant. I was more focused on doing pageant than going to school. And then, nung nasa Manila naman ako, napabarkada, and then, that's all. For a year right now. Oh, you do pageants? Yeah, I do pageants. Like in municipality pageants, I do that. How tall are you? Well, I'm 5'4" or 5'5", not really sure about my height. But I think I'm 5'4". Nice, you're a beauty queen. Thank you, Tuti. Not bad. Not really short, yeah. Hello, Marsh. Thank you for the beans, Marsh. I'm gonna follow you back, Marsh. Thank you so much. Sorry guys, I'm super lagged right now. My internet is so slow.